Let us introduce you to the hardware circuit for directly driving and controlling a TFT LCD using a single-chip microcomputer. First of all, this is a 89G5 to single-chip microcomputer. We are using an STC single-chip microcomputer. This is a basic 51 single-chip microcomputer. The communication voltage of its interface is 5 volts. The communication voltage of the RA8889 interface is 3.3 volts. Therefore, we have a voltage conversion module which converts 5 voltage to 3.3 voltage for communication purposes. If the voltage of the single-chip microcomputer is 3.3 volts, then this voltage conversion module can be omitted. This is the basic hardware circuit, which is quite simple. The single-chip microcomputer RA8889 adopts the SPI communication method, which requires only 4 wires. The output of the communication interface of the single-chip microcomputer is 5 volts. We are using a RA8889 development board for the RA8889's purpose. The part on the right is a single-chip microcomputer, which is currently not being used. It is a direct SPI communication method using 4 wires. This can be handled through jumper wires. The hardware construction is basically like this. Now we're back to the computer desktop. First, we have the 8051 single-chip microcomputer, and the interface is connected from this side. These wires are being used. And this one is the power wire. This one is the ground wire. This is the RA8889 development board. We're using these wire connections for communication. This one is the power wire. This one is the reset wire. We have made some wiring modifications on the RA8889 development board. We are making jumper connections to the components located in this position. It can be adjusted to use the SPI for wire communication method. The circuit connection method between the single-chip microcomputer and 8889 is like this. Here is the connection through SPI for wires. CSSD, OSDI, NCLK. Here, it's important to note that the SDO pin of the 8889 is directly wired to the input of the single-chip microcomputer. This means that there is no need for level shifting anymore. Because the level shifting module is unidirectional, we can directly connect the wire and the communication will work normally through these 4 SPI interface wires, and then connect it to this side. The SDO wire is an output from the 8889. Specifically for data output. Since this module is unidirectional, we can directly connect the wire to it and carry out speed communication. The overall hardware framework is like this.